some soil necessities for vegetable plants are the equivalent, while others vary contingent upon the sort of vegetable. In this video, we will just concentrate on the overall soil prerequisites for vegetable gardens. By and large, vegetable nursery soil ought to be well depleting and free. It ought not to be excessively substantial or excessively sandy. General soil requirements for vegetables. We suggest before setting up the soil for vegetables, that you have your soil tried at your nearby expansion administration, to check whether there is something your soil is deficient in from the rundowns underneath. Natural material. All vegetables need a solid measure of natural material in the soil they develop in. Natural material fills some needs. In particular, it gives a significant number of supplements that plants need to develop and flourish. Furthermore, natural material mellows soil and causes it so the roots can all the more handily spread through the soil. Natural material additionally acts like little wipes in the soil and permits the soil in your vegetable to hold water, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. With regards to soil groundwork for a vegetable nursery, these three supplements are the essential supplements that all plants need. They are likewise referred to together as NPK and are the numbers you see on a pack of fertilizer. While natural material gives these supplements, you may need to alter them exclusively relying upon your individual soil. This should be possible with chemical fertilizers or naturally. To include nitrogen, either utilize a chemical fertilizer with a higher first number, for example 10-2, or a natural change like the excrement of nitrogen-fixing plants. To include phosphorus, utilize either a chemical fertilizer with a high second number, for example 2-10-2, or a natural correction like bone thinner or rock phosphate. To include potassium, utilize a chemical fertilizer that has a high last number or a natural change like potash, wood debris, or greensand. Follow supplements. Vegetables likewise need a wide assortment of minor elements and supplements to develop well. These include boron, copper, iron, chloride, calcium, molybdenum, zinc. Soil pH for vegetables. While definite pH necessities for vegetables change to some degree, as a rule, the soil in a vegetable nursery should fall someplace P6 and 7. On the off chance that your vegetable nursery soil tests altogether over that, you should bring down the pH of the soil. In the event that the soil in your vegetable nursery tests altogether lower than 6, you should raise the pH of your vegetable nursery soil.